What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some gymnastic tricks in Roblox Jailbreak. These are pro moves, only professionals could do it, like me, so don't do this in real life. Oh my gosh, such a pro move! Oh my gosh, these are two pro moves, you can't even do that. Boom, baby, boom, baby. Oh my gosh. These are so good. I don't even think you can master these. Dude, I'm just mastering these right now. Look at boom, 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 boom. Okay, that one is terrible. Anyways, boom, 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 boom. Baby, let's get. Oh my. That helicopter just hit me. Shout out to Pikachu for just chilling. Shout out to Pikachu for playing. Well, never mind. Don't shout out him anymore. Well, shout out him at least a little. Oh my gosh. Pro move. Baby, those were good moves. Those were mastered moves. It's so impossible. You can't even do it. The one in the helicopter, the one where I got sliced by the helicopter. Let's do. Oh my gosh. I jumped completely up this time. Let's try again. Let's try. Baby, boom, boom. Okay, forget that one. But that was clean landing. Oh my gosh, I am no one, your son don't need to cut to your respect up on the street. Under the sun, the best is on whoop up the God to your respect and family. By enemies, your enemies, by enemies, you whoop them up. I am no one, your son. I am no one. His name's. Wait. That was my John Cena move, where he lands on his arm. Look, his name's John Cena. Dun 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 dun. Let's try to do it again. His name's John Cena. Dun 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 dun. Boom. His name's John. Dun 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 dun. Let's do one more before we end the video. Wee psh. Bang. Bang. Get it. Let's get it. Oh my gosh, I don't even think you could have done that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.